Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to animate your Canva design in just 2 minutes. Go to canva.com, click on create a design, go for custom size. Let's go with 1920 by 1080 pixel. Go for text, type whatever you want. Click on animation, select an animation. I'm going to use roll. Text animation is done. Let's do it in customized way. Go to elements and take a character. Click on the character and go for animation. Click on custom. Now create an animation path. You can delete it by clicking delete path. If you don't like it, set new one. You can change the speed. Finally, go for download by clicking the share option and download it as MP4.